Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. Summit white paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated seats and steering wheel, power sunroof, forward collision alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, wireless charging, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have the jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle. Bottom of the door panel, you have a storage compartment and cup holder, Bose premium audio system, power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking brake, as well as several different driving modes and some interior and exterior lighting controls. You have black leather seats with power controls located on the side of the unit at the bottom. Stepping inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you can see your cruise control settings as well as forward collision alert and heated steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have your voice recognition and directional controls to control the driver information screen in front of you. This will have your speedometer and plenty of other driver information and vehicle maintenance screens that you can scroll through. Music you're listening to, navigation, phone settings if you want to connect via Bluetooth, and several other customizable settings for the display itself. Entertainment center in the middle has your audio. This will be AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. Navigation, your phone settings if you're connected. Cameras, you can look through the camera at any time. Plenty of different available options at the bottom. You just tap any one of those to look at the designated camera. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the music that you're listening to. You can change that to the map if you'd prefer to have the navigation screen. You can also have your trailer status as well as a digital clock. Dual zone climate control. This is where you're going to find your temperature gauges for the driver and the passenger, as well as your heated seats and fan speed. On the right-hand side, you're going to have your USB and USB Type-C outlet. And on the left, you're going to have a trailer brake controller next to the push-to-start button. Further below, you have a storage compartment at the front, in the center, and just in front of the shifter. On the right-hand side, you have your dual cup holder, and just tucked away underneath the center console at the front, you have your wireless charging pad. The center console also has dual cup holders at the back for your rear passengers. You can open up the center console. The bucket storage on top is removable. Deep storage on the inside with an LED lamp so you can see easier in the dark. USB and USB Type-C outlet, easier access to your wireless charging pad, as well as a 3-prong outlet on the far side. And looking up top, you have your rear view mirror, of course. Further up, you have your 3 preset garage door openers, as well as the power controls for your rear sliding window and sunroof. You also have a couple of interior lighting controls here. Just in front of the passenger, under the vent here, there's a button. You can open up the storage compartment just above the glove box, and of course you still have the glove box, which is quite spacious on its own. Moving on, let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have the Summit white paint, red GMC emblem on a black grille, black accent along the bottom of the front bumper with your black recovery hooks, LED headlamps, black aluminum wheels, black assist steps that run all the way to the back door, black mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, paint matched door handles with keyless entry. Taking a look further at the back, you have a corner step rear bumper for easier access into the bed of the truck, red GMC emblem in the center with your chrome Sierra nameplate and chrome elevation nameplate in the corner. We'll go ahead and open up the tailgate. Lots of room in the back, including several different cargo tie-down locations at each corner. You have an LED lamp on the right-hand side as well as onboard power. LED lamp on the left as well, so you can see easier in the dark. And the easy lift tailgate makes it super easy to close when you're all done. And finally, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior and the rear of the vehicle. You have the same jet black finish throughout as you did in the front. Storage compartment along the bottom with your cup holder. Magazine holders on the back of the driver and the passenger seat. You have the same black leather seats in the back as you did in the front with in-seat storage. You can open that up. This will be on both sides. The center pulls down This gives you access to 2 more cup holders in addition to the 2 you have at the back of the center console. Fold that away. You can lift the seats. This gives you access to under seat storage as well. And on the back of the center console, you're going to find a USB and USB Type-C outlet between the couple of air vents. Thanks everyone so much for watching me and joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.